Okay. Hey guys, today comment down below if you like this video. So we have some two slimes. I made this one.
You have another one?
And it's so
You buy another one.
and this one we didn't make it, we buy it.
Yeah.
So buy this one, it's so sticky.
Yeah.
Do not buy it at home.
We're open.
My phone. It's gonna be sticky when I touch my phone. It's right. It's pink.
And mine is blue.
Aw,
and
I was gonna start to do slime. I was gonna say slime. Oh, that's sticky. Look, guys.
Yeah. With all this.
And look, mine.
Rebecca. Rebecca, you put that chat. With.
I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch this one. So guys, comment down below if you like this video, like I said. So this is how it looks. You put green on it. Like a toe. I put clear glue. I buy it for $2. We live in Oakland, California. And we live in G Street.
Yeah.
Where's the Drifel School?
Yeah.
Okay. My parents are a little bit sleepy. And my dad told me that I can play with this phone. We're gonna do
slime.
So I said the camera of my phone doesn't work.
My phone is calling me. What? And my phone. Okay, bye. Okay.
That's her phone. She has friends. Yeah. So, like I said, I can show you my phone.
Look, my hand.
I'm gonna bring my phone. Like I said.
And mine in my room. And mine in my room.
Our house has stairs. So this is my phone.
¿Se ve pene?
No trae baterías.
¿Se ve?
Mira, está descargada. Necesito cargarlo. Oh. We have stairs in my house. I didn't think so. Like I said.
I didn't know
the video on my phone.
I didn't know
I just actually did just 2.
I didn't know me. I didn't know me.
A video called Lucero video.
In my AP video.
Oh, you never did it.
Nada más toca tú no. A sticky slime. It was in my hair. Look like. Oh.
Comment down below. And it smells so good.
Am I?
Smell like Thai, a lot of Thai.
Am I huele como Play-Doh?
Look her hands, I did. Look, guys. You want to go upstairs? Okay, I want to go. So my stairs all the way up. I'm going to go to my stairs. Bye. I want to hurry up. Okay. My stairs are right here. I'm going to go. So guys, I'm in my stairs. My room, it's really dark. So guys, comment down below. This is going to be quiet because my dad is taking a shower. Go. Comment down below if you have those. So guys, I'm going downstairs. camera shows a little. Who's taking a shower is my dog.
And my mom
It
ate
doesn't work anymore. I need another phone. A new phone.
And me too.
No, she won't.
Yeah, it did.
Oh,
I have a dog.
so I'm gonna do another video that we're gonna play down, and I'm gonna do a video. I like that sound.
Bye, guys.
No, girl, dang, girl. It's actually 5. It's at 7:44. It's getting night.
Yeah, fine.
We have a fruit right there. It's a banana.
Hello. Oh, yucky. Hello. Hello.
I didn't buy it. I can't find the tapadera. I'm
And
gonna
my
put some
friend,
paper.
my mom, my teacher bite. I know bite. My teacher bite.
Okay, guys, comment down below if you're going back to school tomorrow. So, guys, like I said, my school is tomorrow, and I just wanna go.
Ma.
She's weird, or
No voy a mirar que
she's weird. Oh my God, she's taking all away. Oh, she's taking all away.
Claro. ¿Por qué tiene un pelo?
Okay, I'm not.
Hi guys.
Actually, how was she saying? Hey guys, and look how it sounds. Look. I'm gonna put it again. But Billy. It's not working.
My jammy.
I wish it does work. No, Billy.
Oh.
What you did? You did a mess in here. Look what she did. She put green on it.
I want it.
It's not hers. I made it.
No. Goku. Yeah. Yeah, and my teacher Goku in my too.
We made a lot. I can't go outside. It's only in the garage. I'm sure. Maybe I'm gonna make another video, but in the morning.
Yeah, ahorita no porque
I'm gonna see my phone does work to do some videos because it doesn't work. So
No.
I'm gonna try in the morning. It's getting night, so I can't go in the night outside anymore. My parents doesn't let me. If I go in the night, I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm never gonna use my phone.
Me no. Oh, it's I eat it.
She's weird. I have my nails. They little.
Oh, I eat it.
My kitchen is right. And they live in the back. You see how it goes? Night. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow I'm going to school. Tomorrow's my birthday.
Hey, my hand. Eat that.
It's gonna get sticky. You see how it goes. Look, guys.
Look.
Look.
Oh my God. Let go open.
You can count on me. Yo primero. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there.
Me, yo y tú. Tú cantar.
No, yo primero. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. I can count the rest, but I'm nervous to count it and put it in the
¿Cómo
video.
canta?
So I'm going to do a challenge.
¿Cómo
First
canta,
is
mana?
banana first.
I don't know. ¿Cómo canta, mana? Porque se me descuéntate.
No, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to put songs in the
Kinda
TV. I can
know.
put songs in. I have YouTube. I'm going to show you.
Oh. Jack. Your body is green. It looks
So
green.
guys, get over here. I'm gonna show you how to get. And we gonna. Actually, I'm gonna sing first and her. Because I love YouTube. I have YouTube. Look.
You can know me. Now want to me.
You see that? You're gonna see YouTube. Look.
I got you.
YouTube. I'm gonna put some. Okay, you're gonna see. Every time I put like colors or whatever. Let's be heroes. Let's be heroes. I'm gonna dance like you. Okay, we're gonna color it. You can see it. Okay, I'm gonna sing it. My chocolate. Oh.
Anna, that's in a wet. Anna, that's in a wet. Your butt's wet.
It's green, not red.
Your butt's
Green, guys. Ya cantar. Everything we people do, everything is right. Here we go around. I'm here inside. We will be here.
Papi,
We
mi
will
mamá no me dejaba usar el teléfono.
be here. Ahorita. We will be here.
Voy a hacer wet tu slime, voy a hacer wet. Voy a la poquito wet. Y voy a
We
hacer
will be.
slime.
It's me and you. We gonna be here.
Mana, put it wet. Put it wet. Put it wet.
Espera, tienes que quitarle ahí.
Ay,
Stop
me puse
doing it.
calor.